Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is the first time coming across my videos, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload new video, you will be the first to be notified. I really appreciate everyone that is supporting me. May God bless you all. Please don't forget to share my videos, like, leave positive comment down below in the comment section. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye. Hello my wonderful people, I greet una with better style. My people, I don't carry another ogbonge gist come give una, no be small blasting from new generational prophet. My people, this blasting too hot, so hey, I go drop this video make una watch. If una finish to watch, una no forget to leave una own opinion what una think on the video, and make una no forget to leave una positive comment down below in the comment section. So my people, before I go drop the video, I greet una good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time wey be so una go take come across this video. So my people, make I drop the video, make on a watch.
Why you like video tiebon and also what? Imanu wa tiebona, waga mi of Africa veni kata wa himotia. Agabe do bawe tewe po mana imeso ron wa tiebona waga mi hangi wa muja da we atem wata. Must you use this sort to make your right? Must you disrespect somebody to the call before you make?
But shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth. Tiffy Jan Koriko, how are you ashamed? You try to tell people you are the better person. I have proven to the world you are an inferior person, you are a thief. Person send your video to me now. Person send your video for me. Anytime you make video, I will come and be correcting you. You are a thief. People knows. Ojukin. If people make mistake, we can use Esau to correct them. Yes, we will use Esau to correct them. Like people like you. We will disgrace you people. Any angle we catch any of you, we will disgrace you people. What do they cry for now? If they cry for me with Franvito, say the way we take the disgrace you now. The way we take the fool now for the community. Really, if now they do well, we not talk to you now. Now, because it will not be evil children we call this life. Nobody pass us. Nobody pass me. Now, maybe new generation prophet attitude. What is good is good. It's be like as I talk to Jeremiah now. So, talk the go. I'll correct. Get where I want to play for the word. Make them listen to you.
Right? It's a question. Eh? Must you use insult to make your right, or must you use violence to make your right?
Yes, I will use violence to make violence. I will use violence to make my right. I will use insult to make my right. Now it's truth of the matter. There are different ways where people tell you hear people word. There are different ways where people not hear people word. We must use insult to claim our rights. We must use insult violence to claim our rights. It's the truth. We must use violence, we must use insult to collect our rights. I'm just telling the truth.
No. Absolutely no.
Yes, we will use insult to collect our rights. We will use violence to collect our rights. Yes. Yes. To collect our rights. Because you people are flawed. You are flooding our people. We don't like it again. You people give our single border belly, they abandon them. We abandon the old women. Today, so pepper body, now the old women till they follow us. So since we don't catch you now, I'll play one video just now. But do video, I'll play just now. You know what they cry or they cry for now? Because we they expose them. We they expose them to the world. Now be waiting they pay them. So if you be woman now, you see go follow Amelia Welfare or Richie. Richie, you see go follow her. You can't cry, come out tomorrow. Now you don't know yourself. Although say we know say now pocket with not full. Now our Benin women they put money, pocket with not full, now they put money. But we want to take this one, the third those men, made they run for. May all those women, they run for all those women. Men. All those men, I call the frustration we did for our women, but the single mother, when they come, they marry three papa today, 4 papa, now all those share get papa. like the magic pakuna ekosan. So we can use this sort and this sort will take the tell you now. Now violent will take the tell you now.
A live video where you get depression, why you get depression wa gbon.
Ogun ogbo ajepako wa I mean wo na. You will say you know the kid depression. You know the shame. Picking how they feed you as a man 40-something years now. 46 years or 48 years, picking how they feed you. Government now they feed you. And when they call that woman for Germany. Makajela now they feed you, Makajela now they feed you. As you reach so Ajekpako 40-something years in life, you know if they go outside, take 10 to come back a day or 5 to come back, picking how they feed you. Which one you can't take better pass me now, can't tell me. What do you get when me not get now? Can't tell me. I don't ask you one day. I said, let us go to the point of contention. I don't ask you one day. We begin to talk to you people. You people are less stressed. You people are less stressed. You don't have human feeling for our people. You people don't have human feeling. The way you people are destroying our people every day. That is why we come after you people. So we are quiet. You say we people should quiet so that we are going to thief our single mother. See, rich now, don't reach, what they call her, useless riches. Rich, Rabo, we go thief, Ishama, you see, he thief our sister money. And they come for there, nobody there. More they play this video, they go first.
Ibeka.
Why they cry? When I say they cry. If they push it for her, now they don't see her, now say they cry.
A live video where you get depression.
See drunker, Mona see drunker. He did for steady now. He did put up for my Mona see her. See drunker, Mona see drunker. I don't take this one to drunker, Mona see her.
Awake aye, bene nije. Many do have a live video.
See drunker.
Awake ya.
See drunker.
I don't know what you are saying in live video. I don't know the advice you are advising people in live video. You don't.
I'm not advising you people. Several times when I talk this thing, I'm not the advice now. My advice now with cause. I dey tell you now, my advice with no cause. Una they know my advice if I dey give una the enter on our body. You know see Suzuki now. When I give her, they do a mugo for Facebook. Una not see when the country is saying for Nigeria, I want to do a mugo. My advice na cause. Not to say, what are you doing in live video? What are you doing in live video? What are you advising? But I know they advise people, why they cry? The advice when they give you, when they knock for your head, I want to knock for a month for 3 years for next week Monday. Why they cry now? I don't get what they talk for live video. I don't get person like the advice. Why you they cry now? The thing they touch you, if they are free, they give you BP, happy.
Girlfriend? You don't have fiancé? You don't have this one?
How are you, babe? I'm fine. You get one man where they talk, say I don't get girlfriend, say I don't get wife, I don't get fucking mate. You fit talk to her. He said I don't get wife, I don't get fucking mate, I don't get girlfriend. I want me to talk to me, speak Oyibo for her. Yeah. And they call wait. When I put her on live, when I put her for you, me speak Oyibo. Big Oyibo for her. And they call I put her. Are you hearing me? Let me put.
Are you still online? Are you still online?
Yes, I'm still online. You get one stupid man waiting for Germany. That man wait 3,000 when they give money, carry go house. He say you don't know what they advice for live video. Now I say, but they don't know what they advice. When you call the cry, now when you call the cry, say now I say my advice na cost. Now I call the lay upon them. People will know they do when I call lay cost upon them. I call they give them every day. When you call the cry, say who call the listen to me? Now I say why you call the cry? I talk to her. Speak a big Oyibo for her.
Babe, leave all that. Oh my God, just let him go, okay? Just let him go.
If I let her go, baby, if I let her He go say he go dey get power every day. If na 102 years, I will take and beat and come up for bad thing. Na evil. He dey thief our single mother money.
Don't mind him. Why will you say that? Are you not a man? Why will you say you don't have a girlfriend? Why will he even say that?
I don't know for him.
Don't he know you're a man?
Because
why will you say that?
Because he married one woman when he married, so the woman na national cake, na the woman be Vivian national cake. It is everybody they bring his wife come out for live video. You don't know say where you for stand, his wife not fit stand for there. You don't know. Tell her.
Just leave her there, okay? Don't stress yourself about all these people, please, okay? Don't let it bother you.
No,
okay?
No. If you know say a lie, the man a liar. The man a very liar. Ajekpako. If they talk lie, if you talk big lie, you don't feel the lie. If I see say talk lie now, you come answer her quick. I'll come tell and say lie talk. Because
but why on earth would anybody think you don't have a girlfriend?
I don't know.
Why would they think that?
Because
is it because maybe because they haven't seen me online? Maybe that's one of the reasons why they think so.
Don't worry. I don't want to ask you. When you finish your graduation, if I'm coming to your graduation before they will see me, I don't want them to see you now.
Yeah, but you're coming for the graduation, so that shouldn't bother you, okay? Don't bother. Don't just. Sometimes when somebody says some things, just allow them go. Just overlook it, okay? Please.
Okay, baby.
For my own sake, okay?
Okay.
All right?
I hear you, baby. But I have to answer him. Baby. Don't tell me to leave them, let them go. Where did they go? They're not going anywhere.
I know, baby, but just take it easy on yourself, okay? Just take it easy on yourself. Take it easy on yourself, okay, please? For my own sake, okay?
Forget your own sake. I don't live there. I go to see the knock for their head every day, baby. I go to knock for their head.
It's okay, I've heard you. But do quickly. You promised you're going to be just there for 30 minutes. Now you've been there for more than 1 hour, going to 2 hours.
Baby, listen. After I talk to Omoforifi, Jeremiah, after I talk to him finish, if somebody send me this video, it's yesterday that he do this video. Ajekpako, Tifi 3,000, Ojibole, Ojibole. It's yesterday that do this video. I see it now. I have to answer him.
Oh my God. Anyways, no problem. Yeah, no problem. Just take it easy on you. Okay, please.
No, I'll get some more before.
Don't stay too long, so you will have time to sleep and do other things as well.
Okay, no problem.
Did you get me?
No problem, baby.
Don't stay too long, okay?
When I leave here, I see my mama just now. When I greet my mama first. My fire brigade, Iko Yamel. Good evening, mommy. God will bless you. Now this small boy waiting for Germany, where be drunk, where tip Papa Marvelous money. Where not they share, where they give money, carry go as. He's saying they preach the word of humanitarian, they free the word of freedom. They give money, carry go as, go to 3,000. May God give the person money, and I say no, give man. He can't just say with the tema they destroy. I will take destroy, you not be you thief money. Not be what you do as they play for the world. And they tell you so about you do the thief for a single mother money. Yeah, every time I call the tell you, say, I just spoil your name, I get back. Now you spell your name. Now you go thief person money with the carry money, give you go and go ask. You thief person money, why we not take and sing? Don't reach you thief our sister money, 47,000, 53,000. You go why we not take and sing? Now when you come for our table, now we take and sing. You say we display your name. You get me? Now where Pikin they feed you. Now where Pikin they feed you, they break Pikin go give you food. Night Pikin go give you food. You bought motorway, the motorway you did for inside now. What you did for inside the motor now? Now the one where you both died. Want to show people. You want to show people. Want to show people. Want to show people.
Awake and raw. Mobile ni I educate. Abie fimano imano.
Oh God, you cry now, Ajekpako. No, maybe new generation prophet attitude. Now me, I'm yours coming. Oh, if big go. Jeremiah is a boy. Jeremiah Omoforifi is a boy. You know, see what I think I do. Una no say since when I call this live video, another person when I focus on. I no go focus on pecking when the person not hear and when not cry come out. Una know me. I said Jeremiah Mofofi is a boy.
Who hear me? Oh, your body to no Jeremy. That is how it starts. I am your body my aswe. And then now you will they can on a hang give on top. But then that is his life. In Ragmo, nobody knows. And your life will not be color here. When at TV, I don't talk to that one.
Ah, what bad you are. Ah, what bad you are. If you were a toan, no got more bubble, you moto mububo will tell. Umaze don't talk Maria Bebo, woman. No got more bubble in Nigeria, more bubble will tell. Umwebo, Umoto Yowa, a toan, no there, man is when you're that for him done. Imman is when you're that for him done. I will done. No, yeah, I'm saying so you or water fian. Yeah, you water fian. Area we would Danny, area we ye church a month for fee. A month for fee. Yeah, you boss livo ajowa. All the name of Jesus, only Jesus can say. Nerea ajuwa you know.
Oni aswa yene. Obi o kan se ti gwe kan mo bag one. Me oni ga irobi me odo adi me gbe. O.
Okama eto to tovio. Okama Batifland. Ise Orokonia na Gwana. Orokonia, utete no ya BF wa no pe, yan bioni fo ani. Awo wuye utete na gabi yan BF wa. A BF wa du wa ma mi na ya ka BF wa na mo mi gbo ohun. Ana BF wa. Do bo ma mi no ra ni wa kere da ade. Wa ya fe. Oyo su wa singbe. Talk the go.
No se ti robi kan mo ba. Orovie eri mago dudu no bo no so bo. De menam ya wo efe. Odo ison ni mego bi okan ni tiebo ni sekai. O tiebo no eye ewu e. Mo ke gudame. O. Me ma we polo se secretary omo no ba na do ni erovie. Me ma we polo se secretary omo no ba na do ni erovie. Me polo so yi. So that is for that. One day, a body will fail him. Yes.
You know, no more than not say from Victor they do for Yoruba land. You know, more than not say from say the money you go fail one day. Oh, you do not the fail. If you work with Ojuju, they do the right thing. Ojuju not the fail. Except you go to do evil. For instance, that you do the faith. Now the truth will begin to tell now. We don't see where we don't carry us go. We don't carry us go. Pastor handle. When they call them, Juju handle. We not the succeed. We cannot succeed. We are ready to deal with you now. New generation, I will do so. New generation. All this one are evil. One they do before. We want weapon to come up for his side, and we just try and say we go weapon to come up for his side. It cannot continue in our time. Say if I go as I go the wash person car. Me, new generation prophet attitude. Me go wash person car. Me. You crazy, you know where. Yeah, that one I plan. When I not say to kill, you not free kill me. You felt all this word that they say anytime when I go out, people carry me sit down while they watch people car. Me this that I first. The crazy, madman. When I play a video for you, wait for thief money. When I play a video, wait for thief money, wait not the shame. The one, wait, when I play a video, they go first.
Because you know who here or Bruce man senior. Yes, I did a testimony on here.
People when they drive from Victor, they go play the past person where they save van. Only one person when they save van, a party. They all waiting the people where they drive and they go. They do. Only one person where they save van. They don't fit do anything. Even not pay money do. Wait till they play band for it do. Nicer grand the day. Wait till they play band for it do. Nicer grand the day. I dey tell you, the time where I take a blade I cover you. When I take a blade I cover you at the ball. You see say man you dey cry like this. You know they cry. But people know say wait till they talk not correct. People know that time. You see anybody feel like to talk to you. Nobody talk to you. See, get her for mind. Say, nothing we go do from Victor. Nothing we go do. Nothing we go do from Victor. They tell you every time I think they tell you nothing go do from Victor. Please.
Don't talk about that idiot. Nine. Awekia no raw. Hey, Moboni, I educate. He may educate Awekia. I'm not doing saga with Atiti. I'm not Atiti mate. Everybody beg where he what Atiti in anything. In anything Atiti is.
What do you get now? What do you get? Wait, not to be my mate. You get 3 picking. We God give you. I get 3. We God give me. What do you get now? Money. Now picking they feed you. When you call the map, the woman for Germany. When they call them, when they call that woman, where they for Germany, where they do, now they feed you. Like Ajala, now they feed you and feed your wife, feed your picking. Wait till you take past me now, can't tell me. Maka Ajala, now they feed you, they feed your picking, they feed your wife. Wait till you take past me now, can't tell me. You dey for government house. Government they pay for your house. Me not dey for government house. Now you take past me. Okay, government they pay your house rent. Now you take past me happy. Where do you take past me now? What do you get for Nigeria now? Come, well, let us go to board of contention. Let us go to board of contention. What do you get for Nigeria where you say you don't pass me now? I want to see. If Jeremiah the thought say he pass me, I go the year. But not because of money I fight Jeremiah. Jeremiah more for free saying people go work and I make me the talk to Jeremiah more for free. Now wait till me tell you be that one. Now wait till come out for a man saying the E. Now me tell you now. You not get where go draw me go. You know see what I go do on Monday. Not be this Monday, next Monday. When I do the whole world go hear am. You yourself you come and come do video put. You yourself go come and come do video put. When I hear waiting, not be this Monday after my birthday Monday. You know see what I do Jeremiah more for free. Well, you they alerting me. You know how to talk when you want alerting me. You know how to talk. What way they come up for your mouth they complete? Why your way they come up for your mouth? Now you say they alert me. How you can't say they alerting me? Can't tell me now. Who show you? You sabi speak or you both more than me. You can speak English more than me. Do you know how to talk English? Because keep it quiet. How you take past me now? Can't tell me. Right from time when I call this, my advice na course. All people know me say na by advice. As I dey give you na the eternal for the people know me. I be to say people don't know me the way I take they give her to now. What did they make you they cry now? Tell me your wife can't test her. You know contest. You see my wife just now when they call me just now, they call me. I know why I want bring her come out. If I never put money for her head, I know the big woman come out. If I never put money for her head, I know the big woman come out. All those when I'm married, when I'm not married woman, no. If you want money, I'm not saying for crowd, you know, say, this one I be a titi wife. Because it's not too much for now. That's why I call the talk, say many people to hear a voice. If you know the school way, 3 months I go graduate for the school way they go for London. You see me for London. Visitation, you see me. If I want like if I wish to go, now not see me not the travel. Except Nigeria and I they go. So for this Europe country, you know not see me not the travel come off for house. But I said I want to go Nigeria and I they go. Not be everything we want to go fit one. In school go give me visa when I take go there. When I want to go follow and go how they take call am. When I call am one ask am. When I call am one ask am how they do one. You graduation on my money we are. You call it you don't yo. We made you go go at ABCD. National cake go agbeni auto. Me go agbeni if we are go agbeni. You not go school, your wife go, you know. Hello baby, how are you?
Hi baby.
How are you doing?
I'm fine.
When is the date you are graduating? What is the date? Where is the date?
The graduation date is on the 28th of July.
July, okay.
Yes.
What did they call the name of the school? What did they call the name of the school?
London Metropolitan University.
Oh, what Poly London? No? Poly London. How do you?
London Metropolitan.
What? Poly.
London Metropolitan University.
Oh, that one too long. Na Poly University. Like good.
I'll call it London Met.
Imani, la another messy ni. A messy ya we ya messy.
Yeah, call it London Mint. Yeah, call it London Mint. It's easier.
London Mint. She, no manner, it's a craze. I move with people that educate, that can teach me how to read and write and speak English. Jabba, you will die in my hand. You are a 4-1. I will turn pepper. I will give you pepper. Hello, baby. How are you? No?
Yeah, fine, babe. I'm driving. I want to go buy some drinks. I need some drinks in the house. So I'm driving right now. Okay.
When are you coming back, baby?
Just in 10 minutes. I should be back home. I'm driving right now. Okay.
Okay, now drive carefully.
All right, love.
Drive carefully.
All right, then. All right, love. No problem. Later.
Ciao. So, where's Kunojo? Poli ojo. Next, all graduates now. Bonu gbana eri won. Bonu gbana eri more than 20 times no eri. Oh, gear we so ru wawa. Oh, gear we with this one no know wetin dey talk. Poli ojo. Awokun waye poli. Awokun waye poli of London. Do awokun waye poli of Italy along the road. No ya anya nuwele la pupo. National cake awokun wayo ajepako ni mu. Titi, a poli lorry along the road in Italy. Oh, kanjo, bati oh, kanjo. Bege. Iyan no una we plane. Ejo pa gbe. Oro dukun. Ina ka ma enuna ni. Ise ti le gboko ri iwa. Ise ti le gboko ni iwa. No ya muja dukun deje gbe. No ya muja dukun deje gbe ma ko dukun to rin ore soto. Ina ka ma wi setting. Owo yan finish school yen we yen change mu. Yan office yan. Officer. We national cake you know. Ewo wi edo. Yega opo ya zobu. Yega opo ya zobu. Gbo wa ku opo wo kafua asapopo wa ku efua. Na amono sapopo no so asapopo na amuri. Asapopo awin yi de ni, ona win yi de. Two wife you know. Asapopo awin yi de. Two wife you know. Since Asapopo say na drive Asapopo, I go carry the biggest one come. One I go dey see. Una hear wey dey talk just now. When I call am again, una listen. Say dey drive. This have been a meet. This have been a meet. Nígbà tí àwọn ẹgbẹ́ ni. Nínú wẹ́wẹ́ wo. Decide me na mi o meme ni ba je pako. O je 3,000. O ji no ma ni gbe wuya. O we gbe depression. Oh when you gbojo go o gbe depression. The depression o gbe. Eje agbe. Iri iwe abi no kan we. Eje agbe iri wina. Imi go me iyawe mi no ye me wori on. De bi ke pipi kin la re, iwon ko wa. O pe no re joy ni me na no the happiness ni me na. Lori happiness ni me na. Ona. Wa mi igi e ma wa, iyeke wa kan abege yi. Anytime we come na come show na back. Una no go see front. I come show na back, una no see front. Una this have been a mate. Wa zaga. Aswa kaswa meri oku. Aswa iswa meri oku. Aswa kaswa meri oku. Aswa iswa meri oku. O pe memu eno kwa bese. O eno kwa bese. O dig the fish. No. No be wi. Ishaki no ra memu ishaki. No be wi akare o. No be wi. Ishaki, big fish na carry. This happen na meat. You not get woman for you not get woman. Now you not get woman for now you take the sing. You not get word for mouth where you go talk. You not see me the throw away things. You not see me the throw away word for mouth things. They will put then what boy Jack Paco. Well I'm Monica do be. Okay, Monica no die will be. The way Monica go beat and I cry the entire, but anytime when I play Monica, I take the come aside. Monica beat her. Monica beg.
They are just poor for go yo when no jago jay no real life video me ko ni. When no jago jay ni. When no behave your kwa Spain. Le when no wo kwa here. Yeah, oh, Poloma me or dog. A single mother no man no money and me piano wet. How you yak your wet papa? Oh, my go with him. Oh, my go with him. No more can win away. Escort ya will manage your bone. Woman there. A bomb where I can get out of my life. A bomb where I come over this video. Monica, who they disrespect you? You they curse you, they mad God punish you.
Monica,
who you take permission for your hand before you call my name the first time? Who a judge in your Facebook here? Who a judge? You nagi now. Then Monica a judge. Walk us swing. Never born now with the back. We don't talk about when you are swimming. What is swim? Oh, who ah? Why swim? Then why you swim? You are come back to why? Don't you? Moka swing you a live video. And I'm making Moka disrespect you where we knew you have to for it. I got me away, and I'm getting out of me. Una swing in the Moka swing in it. And I'm me away, and you know he has boo. Oh, he has boo a job away. Anything you wish it done. Okay, who are you waiting? Oh, well, Bomu, he has away. When you are the dog, Iro was so delivered same way. Oh, Piano man, no one, never your open. Oh, Piano walk over the Jenny. No one that will move. Oh, be a poor poo. Oh, now when you don't ask when you make up your love with the backbone of your life. No one about book. He likes a very namuji to a book. You will have born love with it. Wow. What can I have? Me, I will bomb your one. We are less like what the Netherlands mean. Oh, who went in there? Letting you win. Who built pay for now? Your winner can wait. In can wait. Oh, when you're in the time, you have to stay. I always take your time. Take your time. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Oh, take your time. And in the live video, every good way, my money didn't go. Ya have you boy, you oh, now away like him. Who are ya? Who bought your own? Who want a woman? Why are they? If you don't find trouble, you go come if you don't find trouble, you go come to take man, you go say na better pass. Now very liar. Now waiting Monica talks now this character now the get. If you don't do that thing, go they call it tossing and good. People see how when they do the thing. Una see how when the carry wife come out for here. Una say a third different life for my body, but today they cry saying they enlighten me. What do you can't like me now? Can't like me? How you want to like me? You do for Jamie, I do for how you want to like me now? How you want to like me and Jebo can't like me? You do enlighten yourself. You will not feel bad pint for your children. For your children, you don't feel buy one pint for them one day. Now you want to come and enlighten me. You wish is when you enter Europe 20-something years, you know what pay house rent one day. Now woman they pay house rent for you. As they pay for Don Richie, Richie Rabo, waiting for our sister money. So now you want to come enlighten me. What do you want to tell me? What do you want? One plan if they go first. Monica, go on. What you want to get back up? Papa na good free. Papa na good free for Facebook. Papa na good free.
Oh, good evening. Good evening, make back good evening, not the complete for a month. I heard the laugh. This one I say they speak broken English. So this one I say good evening, good evening. I heard the look and say this one. And now we was able. You not go school. Now your wife will write for you. Me go school pass you. Now, if they bring me, and you come out from now. I pass you. You are crazy. Do you know how many lecturers that I have? Do you know how many lecturers that I have? Just willingly in their heart to teach me. Do you know? Because I cry to them, I don't know. And they are teaching me. Do you know how many lecturers that I have? Like coward. Mazaga. Gwegwa Monica Twari.
Ume me weche bona. U wa maso. Ku be ke fe ka kanti ni committee no. U be wo mo be wi go.
Eje.
O ga mo ka tie we dan jan. Ana mi di mo ka gola. Aga me ya we fere baba ne baba. Eri keni eke ya ne aga me ya we se. Ajebo. Ige baba na good evening on social media.
Good evening.
Ana mi di mo ka sweni we. Ana mi di mo ka gola we. Eke nuriri na tie ni me ihi akwanye. Ana mi we mo ka tie we. Aga me ya we fe go ka disrespect no na tie ni. Eri ke ni nuriri ma mo wa yu we mo wa so wa yu we mo wa fa.
Odun mo.
E she ma disgrace no ma mo wa yu we mo wa so wa yu we mo wa fa. Aga me ya we fe ga gelete mi no ma wo jo we gbe dan ya la live video. Ina you no mu we ya wo de no ma keke. Aga me ya we fe eke no na jo boy anything nu we. Wa chimi kunye aga me ya ima na emu weniria woje in Nigeria una you we do bo we tie where are you go nu who so wa do you go na
hey oriso wala dugori Monica do bia magbon Monica come judge am for word the way take thief money Monica come judge am Monica judge
aga me ya we fe ni me ya wa bo te we bo na egbe unyo bi ga ni we do na me ben we de wo be you we dey carry live video we uwa ha aga me ya we fe imu ba we aga me ya we fe okonu we kona be Spain una le fe me vana do mu o we ka ki ge padu sendi jo aga me ya we fe ize ba we mo tire e o di onyo fun everywhere iga eze ba we dan e ke du ri na tie me igi akwanye we aga me ya we fe imana ze ba we mana enwe ni nu ma ujo we be aga me ya we fe be nu ya he we everybody swani me una wa be swani me nu ya sha aga me ya we be o salo kwa ni gokia ya we fe to no gbe wi o salo kwa me mana we dan unwe ga mu ni ka aga me ya we fe igi agui mo salo kwa me ni ga o ga mo ka gwa lo we re o kia fure le gbe wo fure gyo wa we be nu wa wo kan we ge Vivian ya plan dane be de nu call me aga me ya we fe eneni o ye ro mo tebie. When
he go do this thing finish, he go run call. You know, say this is a but when he did for Nigeria, don't come me beg me, say why I forget. Now I tell us, me come public, me come beg. Because I don't find a Jepako, Ogogo, Tiffy, fake of funny, I don't find a trouble. Now he find me trouble. As if you find me trouble, I call him. Say, I waka be like this, he say in the preach. Now I say you be pastor, and I may be prophet too. Where you call say they preach, now I say me go start to preach. We can't preach for 1 year. After they preach for 1 year, body they opt there for inside body. Una hear when the wife told and say 1 year, now I take do them. Before I come push and come out for inside. Since when I push and come out for inside, I not see that social cry, they cry. He say me pass man. He say he pass me. This man say he pass me. People, many of you know the day when I push this boy come out for inside. When I push and come out for inside, I just back. He say he pass me, say he get money. He say in our offer and number, say na that's it. The motor where you both die leave 2004, where you both buy for Vivian, where you both die leave. He say na that's it. Now the motor you see the drive is there. That the motor you see the drive, person where they call itself at that's it. You go stay with woman. You know if you buy better motor where you both die leave. Nothing big. Now you tell me say if you see the motor where me want buy. You see the motor when I want buy very soon now. Because you see the motor where my woman come, you see the motor when they want buy. Anytime when they come, I go the driver. You see the Jeep when they go come out now. Anytime when they come here, I go the driver. Before if my everything already, I go to see the driver too. You see her? You see the motor when we want buy. I want buy for now. Don't tell us say this motor if you come now, I want buy for you. If you come, you go to use them for here. You see her? Now be the one where you both die live for. The way where you both die live for national cake, now you go see the try. You want to show now. You see bet itself. Always bet it by Monica Kabubene. Monica Feg.
I just poor. Obio Gwagbo, your way, no Jagbo Jay, no real life video. We're not Jagbo Jay. We're not beard your quality Spain. Let when I walk, we are here. Yeah, oh, Poloma Mia or dog. A single mother no man no more, I'm piano west. How are you here to wear papa? Oh, I'm going with him. Oh, I'm going with him. No more can I win away. escort yawe manage ye gbon. Who me me? Egba mo aga me yawe se.
Woman is taken out of my life.
Who's the one?
Used to disrespect me.
Egba mo. Yeah, come on for this JJ live video.
Mo come on for that.
Who
Money come on for that yeah live video. Don't cost and reach. Why say wait for thief money? Wait for thief money. Mona yet listen wait for thief money. Papa marvelous. Papa marvelous. Papa marvelous. Papa marvelous. You know, you say you preach now. You say they advise people now for live video. You when you there for live video, person can't believe on you. He can't give you money. Can go you thief the money for house. Now you can't get what they talk for live video. Now what you can't talk the correct for live video. You will be thief. Thief Jan Koriko. How are you shame? Now Bible Pogodo or the people who are yeah. You say what you get. What you get when me no get so. Come tell the world. Come tell the world. What you got to bless you. He give you 3 pikin. 3 pikin now you don't get. Now not be say you don't born 4. Me never born 4 now. Not be say you don't born 4. Me never born 4. Now you want buy land for you. You want buy land for you. Now my hand that they buy my land. You want start foundation for you. Now my hand that they start my foundation. What you go take better pass me now? Tell me. You want of his income again now. But me don't sink my own. You want of his plaster your house again now. But me don't plaster my own. What you can't take better pass me? Can't tell me now. Can't tell me now what you take better pass me. You know, see people they tell you the truth. As I want face Jeremiah, so you know say you they cry now. You they cry, whoa. You they cry. You they pray just like say, where person when I want go jump, when I go jump the one will pass me. Yes, Jeremiah coming for challenge. I'm not of it coming for challenge. As he coming for challenge. After this Monday, tomorrow, when I see what I want to do more for fitness Monday, the whole world will shout. He go no say na me comfort and new generation prophet. They are not the proud. What they are not fit do, are not the do more. Jeremiah, you know, when I work quiet. But I they like if they cry. If I jump they cry, they sweet me, eh? If I jump they cry, they sweet me well. Why not tell me the truth? If they cry, they sweet me. See, wait for thief money. Papa marvelous. Papa marvelous. Papa marvelous.
Yes, hello.
Papa marvelous. You fight today for you. Why leave that one? Why go play your voice? You get where you fight. You get where important for them. You get where I want to play for them. Why leave that one? Where go? We get where I want to play for them. Where the person will send that for me now? Where the person will send that for me? You just said that for me this afternoon. Say I bought the craze for that side yesterday. And I don't say try yesterday. I know if you come out, you get what I do for his house.
What? You know they put picture for Facebook at it made they see you. I work here. Where they allow them.
Why they put picture for Facebook when they see me? In the morning I go work. I come back, I call to do something. The picture when he did for Facebook, that one I see do. One show na song. One show na song. One show na song. Whether we are not the put picture for Facebook. Now today I start to put picture for Facebook. Today I start to put picture for Facebook. This one not be attity. This one not be attity. This one not be attity. You never see this picture for Facebook. This one not be attity. You never see this picture for Facebook. Those pictures you want to get for Facebook. Because you know they go farm, you know they go work. Government they feed you, they break you, take picture, you they put picture for Facebook every day. You they put picture. Man where they work. If all those women where they look me so their husband where they work, their husband where responsible where they work. Before they put picture for Facebook, they are because they don't get chance. They do take the woman man will not get where they go. Now they feel they dress every day. They put man will go work this morning, go find work. Each time want to come put picture for Facebook. If all those women they look me and they don't know the truth, they tell them. How many times their husband feel they put picture for Facebook? All those women where they look me so. Go so bear working. You bear working. You will government the feed. Where social go they call you go right for back of door. You go there you viens pas né. You viens pas né. You viens pas né. You viens pas né. National cake they don't go.
The picture now beg where
No.
I wake here. I load the picture. No get I beg away. Weekend we load the picture at least twice in a month. Twice in a month. Load the picture on your Facebook, your FB. Let people watch. This is attitude.
No. I bear like this. When I take my picture. When I screenshot her. When I go here. When I screenshot her, I go here. See, I know they take picture for Facebook. When I say, when I don't take the picture, when I take another one. When I load them for Facebook. How many pictures I don't carry? When I load them for Facebook, man will not get where they go. Now they load picture every day for Facebook. Man will picking the feed. Irresponsible. Today now when I did for us now. Yesterday, he get the money for 3 o'clock. Now we take come for us with my brother. As we can't do everything. We can't do everything where we pre-call for where we go. Before I can't sleep today now. With the time when I get up, just was after 2. I get up now. I can't bath, do everything. I can't do small live video. Now I can't get time. When I take the picture, today on Sunday. When I take picture, when I put on Facebook. You don't take a moment and post them for Facebook. You define picture. At it, you know, put picture for Facebook. Can't you put picture today or Sunday? Take picture and put the Facebook. How many pictures make you feel now? I put for Facebook.
See you. It's really painful that the time I created for you, the time I talked to you, the time I even visited you is really painful.
You are crazy. You are crazy. You are naughty by fool. You are naughty by hippopotamus. Why you are naughty by coward? A way, mammon or wayuko were foolish man. People tell me about you. People tell me about you, and I may not take. People tell me about you, and I may not take. And even they call you, say, see what people talk. But at last you call, he get one woman. We fair know you. We fair know you. We fair there for your house. We not be your house, it's there for your woman house. The time we all of them get at the stay. The woman in a very close friend, the husband are very close friend to me. He tell me, sir, the first day when you come my house, you know what the woman tell me? Say, the bomb money, where you go take your money, the person where you go host. Where you go host. I not quick believe. That's why they talk any presenter. No come my house again. Don't finish. I not go their house, they not come my house. If I want to go see any presenter, I go book my hotel. I get my money to book my hotel. If the hotel too big for 1 week, it will be 250 euro. 50 euro every day. Then I go reach. I'll stay for there. I'll find the cheapest hotel. If I want to go see any presenter today, I'll find the cheapest hotel for that place. Hotel will go be 40 euro, 50 euro. I'll stay for them 1 week. I'll come my house. Presenters want to come see me today. I'll feel rent hotel for them. If you not get money, I'll rent my hotel for them. I get the hotel of 30 euro. I feel afford 2 weeks for that one for you. You go there. In the afternoon, we go see. In the evening, I can't go drop it for there. Yes, sir. Same baby presenter come my house and give me money. No, not go happen again. And Japan a very evil man.
What problem you were? In social media, are you working on any level? Did you guys think I'm like you guys? No. I will not come here to come and use social media to disrespect my elders.
You said elders where they do bad. Elders where they thief. Now you say we will not talk to elders where they thief. Elders where they thief on other people's land. Elders like Jeremiah now where thief cripple picking. Where say in the cripple. We not wait. You know say I should they cry now. Where they come out for? Where they cry for Simon to go you go back for your wife so. I should they cry Jeremiah will start to cry very soon. When I wait. When I go to look all videos when I do. If I go meet them, they'll know say that me come.
Prominent men and women. No. And now
Shut up. A penalty man, a promising me. Do my son I be promising me. Do my son we born picky way man will be promising go run leave he go run leave picky for outside. Who be promising? Promising man, rich rabo, waiting for more video money. Waiting for more video house. I go plan just now. I go put more video just now. Who got a more video number make give me? I want more video can talk to the world. Make contact to man now. Make contact to wish for man. Contact to wish for woman. Who get a more video number? Make una write am for here. Why call am? I want more video can judge to wish for my platform. Make con judge to also. Make con judge to man and woman. Make con judge to Mami Water. Make con judge to all of them. Whether they not go answer under 6 months, under 3 months, whether they not go answer more video. When I go call a more video for me, and give me a number. You don't think when I define numbers, or people don't know which I define for. Man, as they talk now, they tell her what he want to do. He go do for years, he go to talk for years, he go to talk. As they carry phone, go to the place. He go do one under 3 months. Whether he reach a rabon go start back, whether he not go start to mount. Whether he not go run, he not go run. Whether if he dey sleep for night, he see coffee 2 times for inside his house. He dey sleep for night, he see coffee for top of bed 2 times. Whether he not go run for the house. If you see coffee for inside bed for 2 times, whether he not go run for the house. When I go call one video for me, make tell me. If they say a person mad, now they say talk with you go. Not that you know egg my man. Make God take a man judge for me. Now this one, like this the first time when I tell this movie matter, when I tell the people where come, the presenter will come to me. Why I tell you know how we go. Now person match you take talk what you do. Now I tell at that time the presenter all of the call wrong. When I found one video number for me, make God take a man judge to me. Whether don't reach you know the dream, see coffee for inside house. Now, Jeremiah don't take him out to talk with him. You see, my Jeremiah saying go drop microphone. Jeremiah must for saying go drop microphone if you know it people. And he must drop the microphone. They call pregnant people. I don't know as they talk about pregnant people. Ojo boy. Atakpada kwa no goshi. Omi ho. Ajekpako to 53,000. Now you they advise people. Right from when I call this live video, I tell you, I say, my advice na curse. My advice na Holy Ghost fire. My advice na thunder. I tell you now, not to say na lie. Ogun boy, some of no world dead were winning. 3 battery. You see for example to now, short man like you, 2 battery. We know the gym. Licky to Vivian to where the lick, now you smell for your mouth every time. If this boy, if any time we want to see this man, we want to say everything when I thought and truth. Every time we want to see him, we want to go closer to the mouth, they smell. You know that sardine, that was it. If you cover sardine till daybreak, you know the other way they come out. You go to smell like to with the smell. Now so it mad the smell. If when I go closer to the anytime. I tell the word anytime when I go closer to Ajekpako, when I see the way man they smell. And if you talk to you, go to Bema go this side. Even if you there for front here, you go to Bema go this side. In man they smell or go. People who don't say Ajepo, the way they see side they talk. So if you know experience, because me don't experience, you will not say that truth as you talk. If you talk to you like this, go to Bema go this side. Make the other they go this side. Make the other not come to you direct.
Say, take it or you leave it.
Yes, they will always say we do that. Now, who may say me that? Are you bokai yellow? No, in Demaki. Are you bokai yellow? No, in Demaki. And then I'm when you there. It is penny cuckoo. And the bokai yellow? No, in Demaki. Oh, my womoto, oh, Mubaba womoto. Oyobakan yellow, here in Nigeria, or Muba Papa. Even I will say Mevita. Even I will say that now you know Tama Mevitana. Even now you know Tama made the Bana will say Mevitana. Uzaga Wagmo.
Ajaba funny job na fraud. Ajaba.
Yes, na fraud. I mean the talker. Papa marvelous money you take. Now you take stay open now. Since then, you thief our single mother money. As they see how we the different. Say how they talk to a permanent people. Jeremiah and permanent people. You don't say how they cry, so Jeremiah will cry come out for altar one day. Muna you keep watch. After this Monday, tomorrow will be Monday, next Monday. If I do TV video for Jeremiah, you'll see him. He go start crazy, go enter body for altar. Now me they talk, now me they do one. Muna wait.
John and fraud. Ajabo wo kono ro wodo, umene a. O kono ro wodo. Ame wina. O ma wu. Anybody come my way, I go nyasha.
Oh. If they agree small for that say sleep with you while waiting for them go. That is it. You know that is what we don't do. Is any married woman will come closer to her in the nyasha? Douglas is the down a Douglas in every way.
Okwoga seme ai. Imana ye only dey gberi okwo yowa. Atiti in the next 1 month, 2 months, I will have a partner. When they body me partner igbakia. If you are cruise every street. Ukwe ni gweme. Eve nunu gweme. Unime gweme. Unime gweme. Wewe nitama wena. I greet you, Lomita.
You cry, wanna see ya. Wanna see ya. Wanna see ya. Now no say the
Ukwe gweme. Unime gweme.
No say the meeting. See ya, drunker or diantiku. Emote put denwe.
Maybe we went to for 10 years. I repeat.
Woman leave me. Me never decide to marry. But if I decide to bring her come out, I go bring her come out. Not be small fish. Not be a will. Not be a will. This one is Shaki. Not Shaki. Not before. I don't get that. We talk to
Couple where Udova who by Okbiave le we no dohame. E una ku ku ra u ge ade wo we no ya kun ogwe. Okwo yi se wo we no na mi okbia no value eh. For say we man e joke only me peace.
I come into a imagine only me peace. You not see this foolish man? May I bring my children for me. If you bring my children for me, you get peace. If they bring my children for me, they go get peace. For now, me no need them again. Me no need the children again. Me no need them again. Peace no fit deal with them again. They know what they face. They know. Not be saying I go call. They know what they face. You can't play with me and go free. Oh. As you talk, I say na Baba made it full my hand. You get the extent where you push me reach before they use the mercy for person. I don't say because I don't know. I just start to use another no. No, but my partner not treat me like that. He get the extent. Some people will come and say, this person when they talk to you, now do something, do something. I'll say no. He get the extent where you do and reach before I do the thing. If I do the thing, you know say I may do one. Me so I just say no where there. Imi amebo where. If you want la we ajepako we o ana. If we so have yen any ha. We so have yen any agbo we be beg to we fiena.
Get to you. Akoko wato. Sorry. Yes, happy weekend and happy new month to you. Once you man e joke only me peace. Sandra Robert, I greet you.
If the woman not get peace, now your sister, now your family. If the woman wey born for me not get peace, now your family, now your sister, now your papa, brother, where did concern you for inside? Where did you concern you for inside? They say person not sleep. Now how did take cause? If person not sleep, now how did take cause? Where did you concern you for inside? Where did you concern you for inside?
Okwonu wewe man weti egbe agia. I will keep on to remind you. Okwonu wewe man weti egbe agia. Yago pe ave dimoto your Bobby Highland. Both of them have a complaint in live.
He got a complaint.
Atiti egen okwonu ya agu wege Christy. A bad lot wege akida Christy.
You know, see you are a very foolish man. The time we deal with your wife for year, we deal with glory. The time we deal with glory. You was a bad head to glory. You know, see glory they drive car today. You know, see say boy like bag motor for glory to the where glory they drive. You know, see, a man buy motor for glory where glory they drive. They man when they marry, we buy a car for woman, we born for me now. We buy car for her. Buy price for Spain in over that voice. The man not the shame. If they buy motor for man, for woman, buy price when he dey for a year for Spain, but for Nigeria, he not fit return her. He just the married woman, not fit marry, he not fit do marriage. You know the shame. You know we will tell the man say, my friend, you dey buy car for this man. The marriage we do for Spain, go. May you go there first time you marry this woman. You know he will not come on leave you. The one way not know the way they for body. The woman when say not good. You tell me say glory. You tell me say oh man, glory go dance, go change money. When they call it, that man when they do DJ, if they sleep with glory. You tell me, you remember you tell me. When they call my brother one answer, when they call the name of DJ. Now I know call all people waiting for Madrid. They know the name of the DJ. Where you talk say they fuck your wife. If your wife go down, go change money. You say they fuck glory. If you go down, go change money. All people know the name DJ name. I don't know say na lie you talk say now you the old pikin for her. Wait a good.
Boy, you were telling Christine Frank Igbinadolo. Boy, you can't do it.
The Ojuju will the cost for Christy another asset plus Frank Igbinadolo. He go kill Ajebo. Ajebo born on here boy. Oh boy avant. Well, I got more anyhow. Ajebo look your life today now. They are crying in the crowd. See, Mona look at
boy. Because Kokpe not here boni GVA. Okpe ani tout homme hi. Agbo must.
Wa bijuwe ogun bijuwe. Ijuwe me iti ebona na Ajebo ogun bijuwe. Ijuwe no joba jebo. Okwo no wada fo no okpia no bia na ko. Tout homme hi. Any woman wey born for man, wey they do the man wey first born for, they do am bad. The woman not the last. Automatic death now they kill the woman, yes or no? What bed you? What would go?
Bomana ma wena titi. You
me, I know the pride. I know the pride for quitting of 10 years now. Quitting of now 8 years. Quitting of 8 years. 8 years is when the woman come up from her life. We come up from her life. I don't know if you talk like God bless me enough. God bless me abundant. God bless me abundant. Only say the way God take bless me, not read the bunch with the fit give me paper. I believe I see the try go read the bunch one day with they'll take hand over after me. You the grace, you be man.
the mother of your children.
You don't see this man. Now me with you the quarrel. When they call the concern the wife will born for me, wait the wife will born for me. That's why you not get what for man. You are a coward. You are a coward. You say your husband get pure water company. Fine, now you will get. If you get pure water company, my woman, he get estate for Lagos. He get for Cross River. I dey come and call her whether I don't research. He get estate for Lagos. He get for Cross River. But I not believe of a property. The work when he dey work, I dey tell him stop that work. May go fight another work. I not believe for a property. I not believe say he get. But as maybe so, if I want to do in marriage today, say me go out, I want to do in marriage. You see him. Now me go sponsor and he take up or not go enter. He take up or not go enter. Now me. But now woman go put money for your head. Now woman go put national cake Vivian, I go put money for your head when not the shame. I been know your way Monica talk just now where he said he stand for enemy, he stand for enemy way take go put money for your head. You know your way Monica talk just now. Hello, Baba.
prophet, only woman where our one, okay.
Able to suffer, to take a time, a precious time to have a pregnancy for you for 9 months.
If me not sleep with her, not get pregnant. If me not sleep with her, you not go get pregnant. I be thinking that you carry the pregnant. Say you take a pregnant for 9 months. Not be me getting the pregnant. Not be me getting the pregnant. Now say I need my tea. If you do my tea for me, what I not go do? Since you don't need that. The way they see for inside, the first and since then, I'm not to drive motor to be the problem. They tell you me not get motor. My brother get motor. My pikin, he get motor. Me get motor. Motor now waiting and overdrive. You know as the woman, how many motor me don't drive for this company, for this country. You know as the woman. Not be today I start to buy motor for this country. You know as the woman, how many motor me don't drive for this country. 3 months for Europe, now start to drive motor for this Europe. 3 months, that time Europe, they know the control. 3 months now I start to drive motor for this country. 3 months when I take on Europe, now I start to drive motor. You know what I mean? Person never buy motor. Woman, boyfriend never, boyfriend never buy motor for me once. Woman never buy motor for me once. Woman never buy motor for me one. If boyfriend never buy motor for me one. But you put on I buy motor for you when they use a jackpako. Look at inside the motor, you see this. So your woman national cake. The motor where you bought that leaf. Now you see the drive, you know the shape. Look at inside the motor now you see.
Oh yeah, I'm a bogbe mukuta. No we came we bogbe mukuta na agbo mama kuta.
Yeah, agbo mama kuta. Oh, agbo fio. Agbon fio ajekpako when you know the real truth. When you know the real truth, say that to Kuta na Agian baby. Say na Agian baby, you know say they go they call for left and right. You not tell me say my brother, me they send my people message for us, maybe they buy the things when I they work for me. You not tell me. You not tell me. The time when Monica they sleep with you for every night. When Monica they sleep with you for every night. When Monica come to sleep with you for your bed every night when they sleep with you, you cry, come with me. Under 3 days now, I take someone for you. Just or no, I get poor. If you say like that, God people to do me with you, can swear. Your wife was my weakness. If your wife will tell truth. 3 days now, I take someone for you. The day when you complain to me, I say, no worry, I go my soul side. When I go my soul side, I go do video for my soul side. I do the necessary thing. After 3 days, I call you. You see, I say whether I see call you say no, they come again. What you say when I do for you, I not do for you. What you say when I do for you, I not do for you, I just Paco. Tell me. Do tama man. Back him.
Atiti me de we na me na me ya we fe me de we okuta ni bo se we na tie nu we. Obo ni no tie me. He said maybe they quoted the Kusa, my juju might take at the cost myself. No. I don't take my juju because I don't take at cost other people. You not see foolish man. You say, well, what's on that here? Where? Juliani. Am I saying why are we no beg one day? I will figure go. O Salobwani memu. And me no make sure something for your name. I don't make sure something to your name. If I want to do them, I go do them. You are never see anything when you not get it. Not only the frustration when I want to for but you go the craze. You not go to get money. In 1 year, I don't do that one. Between 1 year and 6 months, you see him. You go to find money we want to do something. You not go see him again. Because money when I give you, money when you owe me, where I take buy ticket for you, you not pay me. And the work when I dey work, you take and laugh me. Before 1 year and 6 months, you see you're not going to get money. You see what you go happen. Me don't do that one. It is something they manifest. The one when me don't do, me don't tell you. Me not say me you die. I not say me you not talk. You go to talk. But now only feed the money, now you go to see. Only feed the money, now you go to see. One or remake Oso weso kuta so bono mama no Team Africa wa lori ari ku we ko boni. Kamo boni we ka we to wa lori ari. Kamo boni we me wo yi Jesu me hin. Even me believe you gari on if all the market kamo boni we wo yi Jesu hin. As far wo yi Jesu hin, I oku wo wa I oku on wari aze.
When I tell the native doctor when I dey call, because what did they pay you for SI now? Because you tell me say when I tell your people, any people who they give me work, when your people go they buy things for me, it means they buy things for me. I say I get person who they buy things for me, and a person who know the work when I they do now if we buy something for me. Now if they beat you they cry because I not give your people the way they go they buy, they go they, your brother don't let the work, your mama don't let the work. Wait till your mama learn how to say umau. Now your mama learn how to play people. How they want to go they buy something for me? I get person who they buy something for me. Now make the cry with the beat you since then over the bako. No problem, Ajekpaku. No problem. We hear with you talk. No problem. But wait for the result. When you wait for the result, they cry. Ajeboy is crying. You. Ajeboy, Ajeboy, they cry.
Il est le bolo da me gbo yan o ke no bo e go jari egbe obo ran ni gbo ke no bo ka ma we nu pa ye social media ma fiti we social media o ma fiti wa titi wa do.
I know say social media not fit me, but the people who need to follow me the work, for people who need to follow me the go where you know social media not be my not be waiting fit me, but people when you believe on me. They talk say, bros, come on for social media, bros, come on. But due to no character, if for character wanna get, now make me to sit there with you. I think they here with you now. Now I think they follow now for the evil character I wanna get. Now not saying to say I don't come on since then now. I rest, I not come again. Jeremiah more for free. If for your prayer for all of you say, in the clipo, now all of you go live on. All of you live on me, you go like that. Now because I see this, so now I want Jeremiah make all clipo for us. Our sister will come for those states will be people. Jeremiah call in for us. Now because I see the here. Now fine. Since social media don't fit me, I do big person. I don't see big person. People where they do they break it where they do. They break it where they do. That boy for South Africa. They know I also meet a big person. Break it where they do. So also meet a big they also meet a big person where not fit me. We go if fit break it, they not fit me. Social media fit break it, they not fit me. Okay, now you social media fit. When I come up for social media, more than for the see where they do bad, what they do. More than see where they play our people, social media not fit at it. Social media not fit at it. Social media not fit at it. More than for the see where they do bad, what they do. Abi? Me, I don't come and not they go again. All of you go run hate us. Or una go change una character. Una not going to talk like again. I be waiting at their against. Una lie too much. Una deceiving our people is too much. Now I be waiting. If you say we come up for social media now, we not come. We not come. We too big past this one. We too small for social media. We destroy people. Una say una the rich and say about that day. You know they call them men that day. You know they call them men. One go bribe men. Now men disgrace. Men disgrace. We just have to chop that. You know say me. You say me men there for that don't reach you. Mo men from Victor you don't reach me. You deal with the Jeremiah. On Monday next week, I will do Jeremiah, the whole world will shout, the whole presenter will shout. I know say a presenter with the verse of me, where they know say that the truth that they tell Jeremiah. Some way say they be my friend, where they see say clip of picking where he lost. They talk say clip of they talk like where they know say clip of picking lost. So I say all those presenters where they support us so. If you not born picking, as soon as picking good they lost. If you not don't get picking, anytime we not travel go Nigeria. Una your day for road, una dey go Benin. Fulani yes me go carry una pikin for una, go leave una. Fulani yes me go carry una pikin for una, go leave una, una go. When so person una cry to that time. Clip of the cry now, una say na bad thing to Abi. We will see am. I just bottle the go.
Awo do adobo with like social media or agbe people watch you. Don't advise people.
I'm not advising people. when I come social media, when I come the dance, when I don't advise people. Me not talk say me they advise people. If you do bad, I'll come knock am for your head. My advice na cause. My advice na cause. And they take us several times. Hey boy, I don't fear you. You have advice where I fear but you have advice where I fear but now maybe the do one. We have banana. Adosha. Admin. Delete them away from there.
Happy weekend to you, Kevin Agmos. Which advice you want advice to people at it? You get woman for us when you want to talk about family life? No. You get children where they...
My brothers and my sisters. My brothers and my sisters around the globe. Una don't see say, I don't advise family couples once for this live video. Una don't see one day. Una don't see say, I don't advise woman with their husband house one day for this live video. Una don't see no. We people are the advice. People wey they do, we not they do well. Now go the now can advice for their head. This character where they behave so, their children come meet am. This character where they behave so, people they see am on disgrace to the world. Now they hear from Mama too.
Your parlor where you want to talk about family? No. You get document? No. You get license? No. Your penny is a work.
Oh, boo boo boo. We are. Yeah, boy, you look me now. I see you just now with your fake account. Yeah, boy, you know you the craze. I just Paco. I mean, down. Bad, I mean, down. I regret the day when I know where you come my house. I regret it. All my money that I spend upon you and your family, I regret it. I regret it. Bring my ticket money, 220 euro. When I take buy ticket for you, bring my money for me. If you not bring it, you'll see. Well, in one boom, where you give me this song too plenty where they call they give me. This song too plenty where they call they give me. This song too plenty. Yes. You know what's here. You know what's now. How many hours you do? When I look at what down.
No. You don't travel? No. Since you enter abroad, you don't go Benin? No. Yang ya vero wa na. E mama Susie ro wa ya ro wa. Yang no weke gwa we so.
Yo, now me drive Susie go Benin. I said me go do Amugo. He said whether me don't go as soon I come. For now, for more than 8 years, I don't feel go as. All of you know what it happen. I don't feel go as. I know they talk lie. But I dey go as. I can't show you my passport. That I can't show you my visa when I did my stamp. When they knock the time when I dey go out. All of you know say I don't feel go. So if you take that one, they laugh me now. You don't know how to talk. The one way me they talk. Iyo wa for hotel. Iyo Douglas for hotel. Douglas hotel. Douglas hotel. You say you're a prick. We take care when we now any married woman. You see talking. You first talking for that video that day. You first talking for one video that day. You see come talking again today say any married woman will take it body 10 years you go fuck her. Douglas apa oboboku Douglas ukongbe Douglas ukongbe o ajebogbe o kana yigbe fi alase owo yen ye kan na o odo ya ka o owo yen ye kan na o
O ma get ticket yare Susie mama Susie our beautiful mama, she's in Benin City. Atiti, what do you have to
Susie, Mona tell her, man, not going to share a husband, a picking husband breast. Mona help me this opportunity, man, tell Susie. As it see go, so man, not going to share a husband of a picking breast because nothing will not fit do. Oh, go, no. Oh, go, no. If you just now, go say, see me, my in-law, as mama boy, he called the show in-law breast for live video for Nigeria. In-law, see my breast. In-law, see my breast. Me Suzuki, not going to show in-law breast, eh? Me not go to show he love breast. He breast. He love call the follow singlet. The look he orgasm. Mona tell him, cause no. You go no, not buy no. If Felicia just now, if you not tell him, now so you go wear the singlet we pass here. You go to show him a breast. You go to show a husband to a pikin. You go to show him breast. That one go to look his breast. Now work when he learn. I work when I shall won't let them not the retire for his side. You don't see the driver. You don't be like saying that the driver when they fuck mama boy. You know you waiting the driver talk. He say, "Okay, I have a year boy. What the be again on the that driver, the Buwawa. Then he got the video. Then he got when you know you waiting the driver ask Susie. He say, "Okay, mama boy. He away be again on we na ya we avena acne and wo. You know you what he has. Let take on me. Won't be mama boy again. That's the driver house."
Where the chicken na where eri me watalo dede gbe watalo. Mommy Susie, Mama Susie, she's in Benin City. Iye boy, she's in Benin.
Now they how they go. Now Benin they go. Now Benin they not go Abuja. Now Benin they go. Maybe they go. The time when we go see start to go now, you go see Sian. It's me no what happen to me since then. Me no the follow person say whether you go as or not go as. But what did me quarrel with Suzuki for? Me not the do a mugo for Facebook. Me go do a mugo for us. And I didn't beat and put. He go and go do a mugo. Now me be pose. I pose him. Anybody when I can't talk to, he must do what I talk. Not since Suzuki, no. The time when I was like, wait, Suzuki born more than 5 months. When Suzuki became born more than 5 months. When I say Suzuki go as, I don't call the fire and say they do a mugo for Facebook. No, of course, Suzuki way they show for us, not saying they for us. He go to a mugo when I tell her, stop a mugo when they do for Facebook. May he go out. He go to one. Abuna not see her.
See. Felicia Obama is in Benin City at Titi.
Felicia not do money with you already. Felicia not do money with you. Why you not go? If you get money, you want to buy ticket now, you know if you go. If you say you want to buy ticket now, if you say I not spend the medicine with you only you want before, I not spend the medicine. Me as Felicia they go so you for confuse you want gawa you na le Felicia are better you for feel confusion. You want not do again. Why you not go? Ajebo Felicia in Benin, you have paper. Ajekpako you get paper. Ajekpako Felicia de Benin want do papa burial you not go. So dey for Benin now, you not go. Yeah, boy, dey for Benin now you not go because you don't want not dey to buy ticket for you again. The money we go make the pay Vivian not go reach the buy ticket take chop for his side. Abi. You don't want to buy ticket for you before. You dey talk for this live video just now say any married woman will take your body fearless say your prick dey work you go fuck am. Everything you dey tell the work say you dey tell the work small say you wa Douglas Douglas moto Douglas moto when you wa ritan you wa igbagba you wa ri kebi you wa ni you wa yo igbe Ajebo wa mu yeke Ajebo yeke na mu Ajebo iyo wa ba pe ni mi yan Ajebo wa mu nu yo lisan Ajebo ida Ajebo ya we Ajebo ya wu yo wa Ajebo ya wu yo wa we yi so eferi la we gbe Ajepo pe eferi la we gbe ma wu e no.
Thank you everyone for watching. Please don't forget to leave your own opinion what you think about this video. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye.